Recording, okay. So, my Nightingale head by Dan, however you want to say it, finally came in. This is the re-released head. I gotta stand up to do this because I can't see. I've wanted this head for a while, but the marketplace prices were a little bit too high. So I'm glad she re-released this head. There were only 40 available in each color, which would be 40 apricot pink and 40 some kind of white color. I forget what the name was, but anyway. Let's see. There might be still some available by the time this is uploaded. I don't know. They weren't going too fast on her website. They are $180, and that includes EMS shipping to wherever you are. How the hell am I supposed to open this? I guess I'll do it upside down. I was surprised that for a head, this package was quite heavy. Picked it up on the way to the dentist office today. Cavity free, by the way, as usual. Ah, that's why. Oh wow, this is going to be a tight fit. Okay. Why do they always do this? Nothing in the box. The box actually was not too damaged this time, for once. Okay, so you can see it comes in a nice little box. I gotta sneeze, forgive me if I do, I have really bad allergies. I covered the mic, but I don't think that'll work. Anyway, I think this is the top. We shall see. There she is. Haha, this is great. Oop, fuzz. Look at that. Love it. More fuzz. Oh, she got fuzz stuck in her head. Get off. Go away. Sure. I don't know if you can see that really well. I didn't get... Oh, maybe, yeah, there it is. They smell like they're perfumed. Card is a little bent, that's okay. But there you go. I got mine in apricot pink, so I can scratch this off of my wish list. I think I have the character in mind for her, which I just gotta get busy. I'm doing stuff with my dolls. But anyway, that was a quick head box opening. This is the Nightingale head by Dan or Dan, however you want to say that name. This is the re-release, so I think this is the second time it's been released. It was $180. That includes EMS shipping to wherever you are. What else? Oh, there might be still some available. Like I said, there was 40 of each color, which it came in apricot pink and ivory white or cream white or something like that. Anyway, white color. They are in stock, and it shipped within 2 weeks of me ordering it. So I can finally cross her off my wish list. Yay! Now I just need a body for her. There you